Welcome into SK World. Today in this tutorial we will learn about how to automate login page with Selenium WebDriver. So let's begin. This is login page. We need to automate this login page with Selenium. So let's begin. First of all, we will navigate to this URL driver.get. Here we will enter the URL. After adding this URL, we need to click on this field, which is username field. Right click on this field and find the locators. Here we can locate by name also available, ID also available. We need to enter the ID. Driver.find element by dot ID. By dot ID. After adding this ID, we need to enter the username in this field, which is student. Here we enter the username student. Now we need to enter the password on this field. Right click, inspect and copy this ID. Driver.find element by dot ID. Here we input the ID and then we want to enter the password. Then we will use the dot send keys. Password is password 123. After input the username and password, we need to click on the submit button. We can click on the submit button by using ID, and we can also click on this submit button by using XPath and CSS selector. Now we will use the ID to click on this submit button. Driver.find element by dot ID. ID is submit and we want to click on this button, so we will use click. Let's run this script. First it will navigate to this URL and then it will enter the username and password. After enter the username and password, it will click on the submit button. Here you can view the login is successfully. We can also verify whether the username and password are valid. So we will add some assertion string URL is equal to driver dot get current URL. First we will get the current URL and our expected URL is, here we will enter the expected URL and then we will compare this driver.get current URL and expected URL. Let's add some condition. If URL dot equal expected URL, then print login successfully. Also we add the else condition. If user is not successfully, then it will print the login unsuccessfully. Let's run this script. In this scenario, it will compare the URL after login into portal. It will compare the expected URL and get the current URL, and it will print the user successfully login. Here you can view login successfully. For example, if we input the wrong password, in this scenario, login will be unsuccessfully, and it will print the login unsuccessfully in console because we enter the invalid password. First, it will navigate to this URL, enter username and password. Your password is invalid and login unsuccessfully. We can also maximize the window driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Now it will maximize the window. Chrome driver is opening. Navigate to the URL and this window is maximized. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.